During the day, you don't have any business with using any active ingredients. The only thing that your skin needs in your morning routine is just proper hydration, proper nourishment, and then sun protection. That is all you need. All those active ingredients that you have, please don't use them during the day. Let them come in your night routine. Are you a beginner in skincare, a student, or a stay-at-home mom, and you're looking for a very simple and a budget-friendly face routine that is going to help to maintain your skin and also help you get rid of hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, dark spot, or acne on a budget? Then this video is for you guys. On this video, I'm going to be sharing a simple face routine that you can stick to, and also I'll be coupling it with affordable products that you can buy as a beginner, as a student, or as a stay-at-home mom. These products are very affordable, and they're products that you can stick to and also get value for your money. Before we dive right into that, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's go straight into it. I don't want this video to be too long. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of the video, I'll be teaching you guys how you're going to use this product in order to see results. Every skincare routine begins with cleansing, and when it comes to cleansing your face, you want to make sure that you're having a very good cleanser and a bar soap. I always talk about double cleansing, guys. So getting a cleanser and a bar soap is very important in your skincare routine. So for the cleanser, I'll be recommending this Face Fact Ceramide Barrier Complex face wash. Guys, this face wash is very good. It contains 5 ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and oats. It's not too harsh on the skin. It's very gentle on the skin. It's going to help to restore your skin barrier in case if you are struggling with a damaged skin barrier, and it's also going to help to protect your skin if you are using any active in your skincare routine. This is going to help to cleanse your skin and also strengthen your barrier and protect your barrier from any recurring skincare issue or damage. Guys, this particular one is very affordable compared to other brands like the CeraVe or the Cetaphil. You can get this for as low as 8,000 naira to 10,000 naira depending on your location. The next product you'll be needing, guys, is a face soap. And for the face soap, I would always recommend this Jam rice milk. If you have been watching me for some time now, you know that I've always been preaching about double cleansing. Guys, in your cleansing routine, you want to make sure that you are double cleansing. Make sure you have a cleanser and you have a bar soap. But in case you cannot afford getting the both, guys, you can still get this one and you're good to go. You can just get this bar soap or that cousin's baby bar soap and use them together instead of pairing this and this together. It will still serve the purpose, okay? But if you can afford it, I will recommend you get this particular ceramide face fat cleanser, or even this tea tree face wash or simple face wash, and pair them with this soap. Guys, this Jam rice milk face soap contains collagen and glutathione in it. If you are suffering from rashes or acne on your face or dark spot, this soap is going to do the job perfectly well for you. This soap is very affordable, guys. In fact, this soap is underrated. For those of you that have used this soap, please let us know how it has been for you in the comment section. I've been using this soap for the past 2 years now, and it has been nothing but amazing. This soap is also very affordable, guys. You can get this soap for as low as 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira. Some people are selling 2,000 naira depending on your location or where you're buying from. But if you're buying from those wholesalers directly, you can get it for as low as even below 1,000 naira. So guys, you get this and this together. Now, the next thing you're going to be needing in this routine is also a simple day and night face cream. When it comes to your day face cream or moisturizer, I'll be recommending this simple face moisturizer for you guys. This is the small one. In case you cannot get that bigger one that is sell 8,000 naira, this particular one is sold for 4,000 naira. So you can get this one. Guys, if you can't afford this one, there are other face moisturizers that doesn't contain any active in them that you can use. But in case you still cannot afford those ones, you can use your normal moisturizer that doesn't contain any active in them that you are applying on your body, like brands from the Nivea, the Dove, the E45, and the Cetaphil or the CeraVe. Those brands are very mild on the skin, but I will always advise and recommend that you get a separate moisturizer for your face and a separate one for your body. So this is what you'll be getting for your morning routine. Okay, make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use it. I'm just introducing you guys to the products that you'll be needing for this affordable, simple face routine. Now you're going to be needing a night face cream, and that night face cream is going to be your treatment face cream. The night face cream is going to help you to combat hyperpigmentation, sunburn, acne, or any skin challenge that you're suffering with on your face. And I'll be recommending this K whitening hydrating face cream. I've reviewed this particular face cream countless number of times, and I'll continue to talk about it because this face cream is very, very nice. It smells so nice and is also affordable. It contains tranexamic acid, it contains glutathione and other important active ingredients that are going to help to protect you from any recurring acne, sunburn or black spot. So this is your treatment face cream. Okay, and you're going to be using this face cream only in the night. So I'll still teach you guys how to use these products. Remember, I'm just introducing you guys to the products. Lastly, what you'll be needing is a very good sunscreen. Guys, if you are not using sunscreen in this 2025, you are wrong. If you have not introduced sunscreen in your skincare routine in this 2025, guys, you are wrong. Please get yourself a there are so many affordable sunscreens out there, but for the sake of this video, I'll be recommending this Estelene SPF 50+++ sunscreen for you guys. You can also get the Estelene vitamin C and niacinamide sunscreen, or you get the Dr. Rachel sunscreen. Any of them that you can lay your hands on. This sunscreen is very, very affordable, and this sunscreen is very, very good. I've been using this sunscreen for over 5 months now. Guys, if you can get the Aqua or the Bio sunscreen, those ones are also very good, but just make sure that you have a very good sunscreen in your routine. Now that I've shown you guys all the products that you'll be needing, all the affordable products, guys, that you'll be needing in this routine, if you want to have a flawless and a beautiful face, then make sure you get these products. Before we wrap up this video, let me teach you guys how to use these products the right way in order to see results. So let's start with the shower routine. So if you take your bath in the shower, this is what you're going to be using to cleanse your face. Okay, this particular one, you'll be using it at night only, and this one will be in the morning. In your night routine, you want to ensure that you are double cleansing, guys. In the night, you will go in with this first to wash your face. Okay, if you are having rashes or acne on your face, if you start using this for the first time, you might have some burning sensation a little bit on your face, but you don't have to worry, guys. With time, your face is going to adjust to all the ingredients. It's a sign that is actually working on all those your rashes and acne on your face. So you're going to first of all cleanse your face with this at night. Okay, then you rinse, you go again, pump twice in your hand, and then you lather it in your both hands and use it to wash your face. Massage your face very well, guys. Okay, so you can even allow it to sit on your face for some time so that all the ingredients that are inside this face wash can sink into your skin and do what they're supposed to do. But it's not actually necessary for you to do that. Okay, but in your morning routine, you don't need to double cleanse. I always encourage double cleansing in the night routine because you just got back from work or you've exposed yourself to other stressors during the day. So you need to make sure that all the sweat are out and every dirt are out and your pores are clean. So double cleansing is going to help you to do the cleansing very, very well. But in your morning routine, you just woke up from sleep, you can just use this alone and wash your face when you are having your bath, and that is it. Now, when it comes to our face moisturizers, we have the day and the night. During the day, I said you can use only this in your morning routine. Then once you're done washing your face with this, you come out of the shower, you now apply your face cream. Okay, after applying your face cream, then you now apply your sunscreen. Lastly, that is during the day, guys. Please make sure you hope you're understanding what I'm saying. So let's go again. In your morning routine, these are the products you're going to be using. You first of all cleanse your face with this, and then you apply your mild moisturizer, and then this. During the day, you don't have any business using any active ingredients. The only thing that your skin needs in your morning routine is just proper hydration, proper nourishment, and then sun protection. That is all you need. All those active ingredients that you have, please don't use them during the day. Let them come in your night routine. For your night routine, you first of all cleanse your face with this jam rice milk bar soap for the first time, then you cleanse again for the second time with this face wax ceramide. Then you will now apply your treatment face cream, the K whitening face cream. Now, another thing I want you to pay attention is this particular face cream is not for everyday use. You're going to be using this face cream 3 times in a week alone because it contains active ingredients like tranexamic acid and glutathione. So you don't use actives every day. You have to use the skin cycling method because if you do it every day, it's going to irritate your skin. So you're going to be using this one only 3 times in a week and at night only. Any other night that you're not using this, you can go ahead and use your normal moisturizer so that you can allow your skin to rest. Okay, just know how to arrange your skincare routine in a way that it will not be too much. And after applying all these actives on your skin, the following morning, guys, always make sure that you apply your sunscreen. Even if you are not going out that day, after taking your bath in the morning, always apply your sunscreen, guys. Always apply your sunscreen. Okay, just stick to this routine, guys, and you're going to love your skin. You're going to love your skin. Stick to this routine for at least a month or two and see how it goes. Jumping from one product to another or one TikTok trend to another is not going to do you any good, guys. So just stick to this particular routine and let me know how it's going. If you're using any of the products already, let us know in the comment section how far it has been for you. That brings us to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button. And don't forget to like this video, guys. Please like this video and turn on the notification bell as well so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.